This video includes a demonstration of how to replace the high voltage box on Napoleon's REQ365 electric grill. To begin, unplug the 240-volt power cord from the junction box to ensure no power is going to the grill. Move to the back of the grill and begin removing the screws which secure the top, middle, and bottom back panels to the cart. With the back of the grill open, the C channel on the left-hand side of the grill will need to be removed. Locate the rigid conduit straps securing the C channel to the conduit and remove them. Then turn your attention behind the C channel and locate the screws securing it to the high voltage box housing. These will also need to be removed, which will free the C channel, allowing it to be pivoted out of place. Next, remove the cart door by loosening the screw holding the hinge bracket in place. Lifting the hinge bracket slightly will allow the door to be pivoted outward and removed. Now remove the shield over the high voltage box by lifting the back and tilting it forward, before lifting it up to remove the tabs from the bottom of the cart. Identify the high voltage box, which is located on the bottom of the cart, and remove the bolts under the cart, which secure it in place. Follow the thermocouple wire harness up the back of the grill and open the serviceability connector to disconnect it from the grill. Now turn your attention back to the high voltage box and disconnect the low voltage wire harness, high voltage wire harness, and 240-volt cable, and remove the old box from the grill. Retain the high voltage box and contact Napoleon's Canadian headquarters to coordinate its return. Locate the new box and ensure the switch is flipped to on before placing it into the grill. Once in place, connect the 240-volt plug, high voltage wire harness, and low voltage wire harness. Then relocate the thermocouple wire harness and place it back into the serviceability connector by pulling it open and plugging the wire in. Now re-secure the high voltage box to the bottom of the cart and reinstall the high voltage box shield. To do this, place the tabs into the slots toward the front of the grill, then pivot the back downwards, ensuring the cords are exiting the junction box cover in the correct locations. Reinstall the C channel, pivoting it into place behind the rigid conduit. Then secure it in place using the rigid conduit straps. Reinstall the screws around the back, which secure the bottom of the C channel to the high voltage box cover. Next, reinstall the cart door back onto the grill by pressing in the top of the spring-loaded hinge to fit it into the bracket. Once the door is installed, re-secure the hinge bracket in place. Now plug the grill back in and test its functionality to ensure it operates as intended. Once correct operation is confirmed, reinstall the back panels to finish the assembly of the grill and open the Napoleon Home app on the owner's connected device. The paired grill will then need to be removed from the connected device, as it is currently paired to the old high voltage box. To remove the grill, select the REQ365 and you will see a notification that the grill is not connected to the internet. Select the gear in the top right-hand corner and select Delete Device in the bottom of the menu. Select Delete a second time to remove the device from the Napoleon Home app. Now re-add the grill by selecting the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner to add a device. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled and the device is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and press Begin. Next, press and hold the on-off button located on the appliance's control panel for 10 seconds. This initiates pairing mode, identified by the on-off switch fading in and out. Once the appliance is found, follow the prompts on screen to pair the connected device to the REQ365. The grill is now paired and ready to be used by your customer as normal. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.